What is going on, y'all? What it do? Your boy is in the building, and yes, I'm dirty because I'm grinding on this car, man. Just wanted to kind of show y'all what's been going on since I've been off work and what all I have attacked. So obviously, I'm working on the Chevelle. I've been painting. I've been well, first I've been cleaning up, and then I took a wire wheel to the frame and in the back there where the gas tank was, and so I'll show you guys that in a moment. Also, I got some new parts and some things I wanted to talk about real quick. This video is not going to be crazy long because I haven't really ate yet, and I wanted to get some stuff done before it actually rained because it's supposed to rain. But I wanted to show you kind of what I did as far as cleanup goes and some parts and one thing that I found out in regards to these motor mounts that I bought. So let me flip this camera around real quick and I'll show you guys what I did under the car. All right, y'all, so I'm under the car and you guys probably can't see much because it's so dark and it's cloudy out, so I'm not getting very good light, but I have this little Harbor Freight light that I'm shining on things. But if you guys remember from our previous video, a lot of this was some of it was actually all of this was pretty good condition in black, but some of it was like a little surface rust, like here where the gas tank straps went and stuff like that. So what I did is I took some of this like zero rust or stuff from Rust-Oleum that basically neutralizes the surface rust, and it paints it black. And so that's what I did to this hole underneath the trunk floor pan. Actually, the stuff is right here that I used. Turn this around. Rust tough enamel. So basically it's just a paint that neutralizes the rust as soon as you lay it on. And that's what I did to the whole inside of the frame. There you can see I did that. It just had some surface rust there, and I don't know if you guys can see, but probably horrible video, so I apologize. But I did everything around here, but not much to see. It's just kind of just what I did. Also in the shock towers as well, I sprayed all that, and I took a wire wheel to it first, cleaned it down, used some simple green, wiped it all off as good as I could, and did everything. So everything is actually pretty dang clean under here. And as you can see, y'all, this actually came with Hotchkiss upper and lower control arms, and this bar here, I guess it's some type of traction control. So I think somebody said it might be a pan bar or a pan handle. I'm not sure exactly what it is. I've never seen it before, but it basically runs from this upper bolt that goes through down to that bolt that connects to the lower control arm. So man, that's pretty cool. If y'all know anything about Hotchkiss, you know how spinny that can be. So again, that all came with the car, so that's pretty dope. All these here were really dirty, so I just cleaned them up. Actually, these bottom pieces here, as you can see, I got them sitting on two spray cans there, and what I did is as you can see, it started to peel, and it has some surface rust around there as well. I'll get my leg out the way if you guys can tell, but you can kind of see. So what I did is I didn't want to take them off and then have to paint them or have them powder coated again, because you know you got to take out the bushings and all that stuff, and I didn't want to do that. So I just left them on, and I taped them up, and then and sprayed this stuff right here. Flip it around. This stuff from Rust-Oleum, I think. Oh no, it's from Ace. But it's basically a stop rust. Same deal, but it paints it. What is it? High gloss black. So that's what I did there. I actually had some left over from my girlfriend's dad, who had lent us his trailer, and he actually painted it all up and stuff for us before he gave it to us. So anyways, let me see if I can get some good lighting. But anyways, that's what it looks like under here. And as you can see, I haven't even touched anything else underneath, and it's all black, rust-free. Really solid car, y'all. Really solid. So let me stop this real quick, and I'll come from the outside. Hopefully you can get some better lighting. All right, y'all. Yeah, I don't know if that's any better, but basically this looks a lot better than what it did before. It was really dull. It was peeling right here, and it was just horrible. So I just took a red Scotch-Brite pad, scuffed it all up, tried to get some of this stuff that's peeling off the best that I could.
I'm not going for show on this car. I just want a good, mostly clean rider, and then that's what I'm after. So, but I want to do stuff right and all that. But you know, in order to paint this correctly and get it repowder coated, I'd have to take all the bushings off and everything, and I just didn't want to do that. So it's good as it is, and I think it's perfectly fine. So but yeah, that's what I did. So I wanted to clean it up before I started putting the tank back in, and I think it looks pretty damn good, y'all. So let me also take you over here to these parts that I want to show you that I got in as well.
All right, so you know when parts come in, it's like Christmas around here. So just let me show you some things that I got real quick. So I have this rear cover gasket for the rear diff, and the other one was leaking, so I thought I would just replace it since I was going to take it apart. I ordered, these are actually some CPP adapter plates for LS motors, and these are the slider kind. So I've heard of people having really good success with these, and so I got them, and I think they're like 90 bucks or something like that. So they're a little bit more on the spendy side. I usually have used ICT billet in the past, and those were great, but I heard these work really well for the Chevelle, so that's why I got them. So again, CPP, they come with all the hardware and everything that you need. And I got these motor mounts actually. So if you guys did not know, there are actually two different sets of motor mounts for a Chevelle. I guess the Chevelle shock, or not the shock, but the motor mount towers right here, I guess there was some for a big block and some that were not. I'm not sure exactly, but these motor mount towers, there were some that were tall and skinny, and there were some that were short and wide. And so I originally thought I had the tall and skinny one, so I ordered a different set of motor mounts. And then when I went to test fit them, actually I still have it, but I gotta send it back. And I went to put it on, it wouldn't go on. It was too narrow to fit over this short and wide one. So I was hoping that the short and wide one would fit well, and because I heard sometimes they have a little play, and so when I put it on, it actually fits perfect. There's a little bit of wiggle, but I mean it's actually not much. In worst case, if it's really bad, I can stick a washer or something in there to kind of fill it in. But it fits perfectly. It's resting on all the way down, and you can see the hole fits perfectly in there. So I'm happy about that. I got the right ones, and these are energy suspension. I think they're like 40 bucks each. So got me some of those. Those fit well. And what else did I get? Transmission mount, another energy suspension piece. These are core support, radiator core support bushings, because I needed new ones. These are what do they call these things? Basically they hold the U-joint in on the rear of the drive line. So this actually bolts up to the rear part of the axle there. So got that because I needed those because it doesn't have any. And I got these motor mount bolts, and I think that is it for now as far as new parts go. But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much that. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up because I've been grinding since 4:30. Worked at 6, worked out after that, and then came right back because I wanted to attack this before it rained. And now I'm about to go in and just chill for the rest of the day. So anyways, y'all, hope everybody out there has had a fabulous week and weekend, and I will holla at y'all later. Stay tuned for more videos coming up, and you know I'm not stopping. I got this Chevelle to work on, and we got a lot of content coming, and it's gonna be on and popping. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Deuces, peace out, and I'll see y'all later.